Hey guys, what's up? My girl Patriana here with Past Second Review, and welcome to the final part of my Brazilian beauty brand discovery. Alright guys, let's get started. Saving the best for last, my favorite skincare brand from Brazil. This is the Quintal. I think I pronounced it right. Thank you, Google Translate. I went to the local Sephora there and explore all their local beauty brands. Starting with this one, this is the Dragon Blood Facial Serum plus vitamin B12. This baby here is so good with fighting against inflammatory things that's like affecting your skin, and it's good for like delaying aging, regenerating your skin. Also a great antioxidant. That it looks like. FYI, the dropper sucks. I get all the serum that I need. Dries down quickly, makes it a great layering serum. Does not smell like anything. Even help with decongesting my skin, minimize my fine lines. The second one that I try from their brand, this is the Antiporosidade. As someone with like an oily combo skin, this baby really helped minimize my pores, reduce oil production, excessive shine, and also reduce blackness and pimples. Just how it looks like. I like to use this as a daytime moisturizer, and it dries down beautifully. And it's actually one of like my favorite moisturizer for my oily skin because it really does help, controlling the shine throughout the day. The only downside about it is it smells like crap, which means the anti-porosity moisturizing fluid helps trap in the oil until the end of the day. The other thing that I got from the Sephora, their brand was called Care, and this is their Skin Drops Anti-Blemish. So this is more like a serum oil. That's something that I like to use at night just because it's more on the thicker side, enriched with niacinamide to help control oiliness, blackheads. How the drop looks like. They smell kind of like funky to me. This baby here really helped to control the oiliness, blackhead, pimples, reduce enlarged pores, improve hydration and skin elasticity. It's a great powerful antioxidant. Alright guys, hope you find this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Muito obrigada. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!